Hi, it's Mike again. I wanted to take a minute and talk to you about some of the parts we've made and we inventory. You can see it in the video, how we inventory a lot of this stuff. This week, we're pretty excited because we took the time, we blocked out a little time, and we just put parts on our website, marathonparts.net. And we've got a couple thousand. We've got over 1,000. We stopped at 1,000 each on the RA and 1,000 on W&D machines. And I've got more. I just need more time. Have somebody sit for 3-4 days because I've got probably another 3,000 to 5,000 to go up. So if you don't see a part on the website, feel free to call Mike Foy or Kevin, myself. We can look it up. There's a good chance we've made it and just haven't had the time to take a picture or upload the picture to the website. Every week we get parts in to reverse engineer, whether it's a crate, a box, a shaft, and a worn out part, brand new parts, you name it, we get it. I've got friends all over the country, and we ship almost to every company in the United States, So if we can be a good part supplier plus a good die supplier, that's our goal. Upcoming video I've got coming up will be on rebuild services. We plan on having rebuilt, well, we have them already, rebuilt collators. So if you're a collator, you didn't want to fuss with it, just give Mike a call. We'll send you ours. You can swap it out. We'll rebuild yours and just charge you for worn parts. Score assemblies, we've done a bunch of these where we get them in, and it could be just a shaft where segments are missing, we put new segments in, or it's worn, we grind it, build it up, regrind it, or cracked. This is one that was cracked and missing a part, so we copied it, made a model. We're making, this will be a beautiful part when it's done. I'm making half a dozen. It's out of 4140 pre-hard, and it's out of solid billet. It's not a cast part. So this will be a really nice part when it's finished. What else? Feed cylinders. We get feed cylinders in here fairly often where they're bent. Right now I'm making a one-piece feed cylinder on my big 5-axis, or my 4-axis, big 4-axis. Out of a solid. It's a beautiful part. It's going to be a beautiful shaft. And subscribe, Marathon Precision on YouTube. Go to marathonparts.net. And if you have any old parts that you're going to use sometime or they're just worn out, send them to me. Someone just sent this for an RA. We copied it, scale. Like I say, I've got probably another 3,000 to 5,000 parts to put on the website. But when you get a chance, check it out, check out the videos, subscribe. Thanks for the business.